Hey everybody, today we're going to be going over how to extract certain strings from files using PowerShell, and we could do it recursively. So preemptively I've set up 100 files in each of these folders here that have some PII data. So let's see if we can look for PII data recursively and output that with PowerShell. So let's use Get-Childitem. Let's give it the path, the root path here where we want to start. Use the recurse switch to tell PowerShell to go recursively. Let's just run that to see where we are so far. Okay, good. As we've dug into the sub files, I know that we've actually gone recursively, because I just named them like that. Alright, anyway, so let's pipe each of these files to the select string commandlet and use the pattern switch. And from here we can search for one string, or we could search for numerous strings. So let's see what we get for output. Alright, so when we're searching for that, we get the file path as well as which line the string is found in, and then the actual string itself.